Welcome to Cooking with Annabelle. In this episode, we're gonna make peanut butter and jelly sandwich. For this video, you will need bread, peanut butter, and jelly. Step 1, spread the peanut butter. Step 2, spread the jelly. Step 3, put them together. Step 4, clean up. Step 5, eat. Bye guys. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Bye.